Don Tatay, play dan. O, dikit na ako ha. O, all subscription. All bell, all bell. All bell, all bell. May tayo eh, o. Salamat, Sisi. You're welcome, Sisi. Ito tayo ngayon eh. Kung yan. Playing highlights. Oh, Steven's done. Play done. What happened? 3 minutes play done. Thank you, Steven. Already connected. I'll do to comment to your video. So that you will know that I've been from this video. O, diba? English pa more. Kung tayo nahirap, buti nga. Buti nga loading. Wow, laban lang ay. Ayan. Steven. Ayan, newly here. Thanks, Idol. Miss you, Idol, Steven. Sometimes to join my live panel when I'm going to live by StreamYard. Let's talk a lot. Let's do something that, like a collaboration, singing together, sharing thoughts like that, like this. English for more. How's your weather, Steven? How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather? Kung yan vlog. How's the weather? How's the weather? Ayan, kung highlights ha. Ayan, play ako. Mag-like, tapos comment. Siyempre, huwag kalimutan. Don't forget to comment and like, guys, because that's mostly important so that the owner of the video have awareness of your visiting. English pa more. Visiting of their channel, especially from their each video. Ayan. Miss you, lalabs, yung tan. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ayan, playing lang yung highlights mo. So, dito na tayo sa topic. Magta-topic na tayo, guys. Topic natin ito, oh. Papakita ko yung topic natin. Nakuha na. May topic tayo, guys, ngayon. Tingnan ko nga kung na-copy ako na. Wait lang, ha. May topic po tayo ngayon about dun sa SEO. SEO. Sana alam nyo kung ano ibig sabihin ng SEO. Ayan, o. Ito yung comment ni Idol. English. Sabi niya, ito yung i-highlight sa atin ito para malaman ni Sister. Kasi humingi siya ng tawag dito, sourcing about this comment. Kung ano ba yung SEO, ano ba yung optimize, bla 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 bla. Tutorial muna tayo, guys, ha? Tutorial. SEO. Alamin natin kung ano ba yung SEO. Dahil meron isang video si Idol na nag-comment ang isang YouTuber na akala niya si Lolo White ito. So, babasahin natin, tapos tatagalogin natin. Okay? So, tutorial muna tayo. Seryoso muna tayo, walang gagalaw. Seryoso muna tayo. Tutorial muna tayo. Wait lang. Suya. Ayan, tutorial muna tayo, guys. Bigyan na natin ng tawag dito. panunuri yung kanyang comment. Sabi niya sa English, your channel